Welcome to another video of Lingual Simple Japanese version. Today's lesson is about how to count numbers in Japanese. Ich, ni, san, shi, or yon. Usually yon is used and shi is only used for compound nouns derived from Chinese or when you're literally counting, such as doing exercises when you're stretching, like ich, ni, san, shi. Go, rok, shich or nana. The same rule as number 4 applies here. Nana is usually used, and shich is only used from Chinese-derived nouns or when counting during exercises. Hach, Q, ju, juichi, and then juni, jusan, jushi, etc. Niju, and then sanju, yonju, etc. Hyaku. When referring to a number that's 100 something, there's no need to add each before hyaku. For example, 110 would be hyakuju and not ich hyakuju. Sen. Same rule applies to a number over 1,000. No need to add the prefix. After that would be nisen, sanzen, yonsen, etc. Ichiman. So now we do need to add ichi. So 10,100 would be ichiman hyaku. Ichioku. For example, population of Japan would be about 1,2700,000 man. Summary. Number 1, ich, 2, ni, 3, san, 4, shi, or yon, 5, go, 6, roku, 7, shich, or nana, 8, hachi, 9, kyu, 10, ju, 11, juichi, 20, niju, 100, hyaku, 1,000, sen, 10,000, man, 100 million, oku,